Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce errors and omissions insurance rates with Hiscox step by step clearly. To reduce errors and omissions insurance rates with Hiscox, start by understanding your policy details. Review your current coverage limits. Identify specific areas where you may be overinsured. Gather data on your claims history. Analyze any past claims to pinpoint trends or issues. Implement risk management practices to minimize future claims. Enhance your professional training and certifications. Show documented proof of your expertise and qualifications. Maintain a strong reputation in your industry. Consider increasing your deductible. A higher deductible often leads to lower premiums. Shop around for additional quotes from Hiscox and other insurers. Compare the coverage options and rates available. Engage in regular policy reviews with your insurance agent. Discuss any changes in your business that may affect coverage needs. Utilize Hiscox's resources and tools for risk assessment. Ask about discounts that may apply to your business profile. Evaluate any industry-specific risk reduction measures. Stay informed about changes in your industry that may impact your rates. Finally, maintain open communication with Hiscox for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.